Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list in Microsoft Lists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Microsoft Lists link. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your Microsoft credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main Microsoft Lists dashboard, where you can see all your existing lists. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a button that says Create New. Click on this button to open up the options for creating a new list. From the menu that appears, you'll see several different ways to create a list. What you want to do here is click on Existing List. This option is specifically designed for duplicating lists you've already created, which saves you a tremendous amount of time compared to building a new list from scratch with all the same columns and settings. Next, you'll see a selection menu displaying all the lists available in your account. Browse through this menu and select the specific list you want to duplicate. This could be any list you've previously created, whether it's a project tracker, inventory list, or any other type of list you're working with. Once you've found the right one, click on it to select it. After selecting your list, click the Next button to proceed to the next stage of the duplication process. This will take you to the configuration screen where you can customize the new duplicate list before finalizing it. Now you'll need to input a name for your duplicated list. It's a good idea to give it a descriptive name so you can easily distinguish it from the original. For example, if your original list is called Project Tracker, you might name the duplicate Project Tracker Duplicate or Project Tracker Copy. This naming convention helps you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple lists. Once you've entered the name, click the Create button. Microsoft Lists will now process your request and generate the duplicate. This typically takes just a few seconds, but you might need to wait a moment while the system copies all the columns, settings, and structure from your original list to the new one. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your list in Microsoft Lists, and you can now customize it independently without affecting your original list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.